Welcome back to today's episode of Making Data-Driven Decisions for Your Business. Last episode, we explored how to tell a great story with data, something everyone in your business can get behind. But what's a story without some visuals? Imagine reading your favorite novel without any description. It will be pretty dry, right? Well, that's how data feels without visuals. As a data analyst who has worked with small businesses across Africa, I have seen how a good chart can turn numbers into decisions. So today, we're diving into how to make your data not just useful, but actually beautiful and accessible. Hey there, I am Amaka, a data analyst with over a decade of experience crunching numbers across retail, finance, and even health. But today, I am here to help you, the small business warriors, turn your data into real business power. Whether you're drowning in spreadsheets or just starting to track sales on sticky notes, I'll show you how to use data to boost growth, streamline operations, and make smarter decisions. Let's face it, no one wants to stare at a long list of numbers in spreadsheets, not even us data people. Visuals are like the universal language of data, whether it's a simple bar chart showing monthly sales or a pie chart breaking down your customer demographics. Visuals make your data easy to grasp at a glance. I have worked with small businesses that were trying to understand their sales data but found themselves lost in rows and columns. It happens all the time. One quick chart showing month-to-month sales growth and the trends popped out instantly. That's the magic of visuals. You don't need a fancy software or a huge budget to start visualizing data. Some of the best tools for data visualizations are probably already on your computer. Let's look at some accessible, easy-to-use options. Excel and Google Sheets are excellent starting points for anyone wanting to create quick and easy visuals. You can make bar charts, line graphs, and even pie charts with just a few clicks. In fact, for many small businesses, these are all you need to get started. Let's say you're tracking weekly sales. Highlight your data, click on Insert Chart, and voila, in seconds, you can see your sales ups and downs. You can add labels and change colors to make it even clearer. The next is Google Data Studio and Tableau Public, which are two fantastic free tools that offer more flexibility. You can connect them to your data and they will update automatically. No more copying and pasting into a new file every time. These tools let you get a bit fancier with your dashboards, so you can track everything from sales to customer demographics all in one place. Imagine walking into a meeting with a clear dashboard showing exactly how your business is doing, where the challenges are, and what's your driving growth. That's what Google Data Studio and Tableau can give you. And the best part is, they are free. One of the secrets of effective data visualization is choosing the right chart type for your data. Not every story fits in a pie chart. Let's break down which charts works best for different types of insights. The first is bar charts, usually used for comparisons. Bar charts are like your go-to sneakers, very reliable and versatile. They are perfect for comparing things like monthly sales across different product lines. You want to know which product sold best each month? Go with a bar chart. The second is line graphs for trends over time. Line graphs are ideal for showing trends over time, like sales growth per month. They can give you a quick sense of whether you're trending up and down or even staying steady. Line graphs are like, I call them a mood ring of data. They tell you how your business is feeling over time. If you're spiking up, then you're thriving. But if you're dropping down, it's time for that tender loving care that you need. The third is pie charts. Pie charts are great for showing proportions. They are perfect for things like customer demographics or market share. If you want to know what the percentage of your customers are between the ages of 20 and 30, that's your pie chart. The fourth is heat maps. Heat maps are usually used for regional data. Heat maps can help show data across different locations. Imagine you're running a cafe chain across multiple cities. A heat map can show you which locations bring in the most customers and which might need a bit of marketing. Now, with what we've covered so far in chart types, let's talk about how to make them clear and effective, because no one wants to look at a chart that's more confusing than the data itself. So, keep it simple. When it comes to data visualization, less is often more. A chart with too many colors or too much details can be overwhelming. Stick to clear designs and avoid clustering your visuals with extra information. Use color intentionally. Color is powerful. It can help highlight what's important in your data. For instance, if you're showing sales growth, use green to signify positive growth and red for a decline. Just avoid using too many colors at once. Label everything. Without clear labels, a chart is just like an abstract art. Make sure your axes are labeled. Include a title and add any other necessary information to make your visuals self-explanatory. Think of labels as a name tag at a networking event. Without them, people are left guessing what's going on. Focus on actionable insights. Highlight the points that matter most. If 1 month's sales doubled compared to the previous month, make sure it's noticeable. Draw people's attention to what they should be focusing on. Let's try a quick exercise together. Suppose you own a grocery store and you're tracking weekly sales for different departments like produce, dairy, and bakery. We'll create a simple bar chart. Collect your data. Enter your weekly sales numbers into a spreadsheet. Select the data range. Highlight the rows and columns for each department. Insert a bar chart in Excel or Google Sheet. Go to Insert and choose a bar chart. Then, customize. Add labels like week on the x-axis and then sales on the y-axis, and then use color to differentiate each department. Then add insights. Note any interesting patterns. If produce sales spike every Friday, you could infer that people are buying fresh goods for the weekend. As I mentioned earlier, there are a lot of free or affordable tools available that can take your visualizations to the next level. Google Data Studio lets you create live dashboards. Tableau Public offers advanced visualization options, and even Canva now has tools for quick, beautiful data visuals. Each tool has its strengths. Google Data Studio is great for building dashboards, while Tableau Public allows you to get really creative with data storytelling. Visualizing data isn't just about making it look pretty, it's about making it clear, accessible, and actionable. Small businesses across Africa are discovering that visuals can transform complex data into insights that drive growth. With the right tools and a few best practices, you will turn your data into stories that everyone can understand and act on. In the next episode, we're diving into the exciting world of predictive analysis. Imagine knowing what your customers will want next month before they even do. But for now, remember, with clear visuals, you're not just looking at data, you're making it work for you. Until next time, keep these charts simple, keep your colors intentional, and keep making data visualizations that tell a story. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you're facing challenges with data collection or have topics you would like me to cover in future videos, let me know and I will consider hosting a session on it. If you're interested in consulting with me on how to use data to scale your business, just mention it in the comment section and I or any of my team members will reach out to you. If you found this video helpful as usual, don't forget to like and please subscribe for more updates. Until then, stay tuned.